Here's the replacement parts for the 73 CB 354. We've got oil filter, air filter, I don't know, something, hardware, all four carb rebuild kits. Same thing here. All the seals and gaskets. Another new air filter there, and spark plugs, more cables, hardware, 2 new handles, these things, these connections for all the connections, and O-rings, and these matters for intake, O-rings, brake shoes, and that. So there's a lot of parts here for the Honda 354. Oh, yeah, here's the 4th carb rebuild kit.